In today's video, I am going to teach you how to unblock adult websites on Google Chrome. First, check whether Google SafeSearch is filtering your results. Open Google in your browser. Click your profile picture in the top right, then select More Settings. In the Privacy and Security section, find SafeSearch and open it, then switch it off. You should see confirmation that SafeSearch is now disabled. This change affects what appears in your search results. Not whether a site loads, but it's an important first step to remove content filtering on Google's side. Next, adjust your secure DNS settings in Chrome. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner. Then choose Settings. In the left sidebar, select Privacy and Security, and then click Security. Scroll down to the Advanced section and turn on Use Secure DNS. Open the drop-down for the provider and choose Cloudflare. This routes your lookups through Cloudflare's resolver after making this change. Restart your browser to apply it fully, then try visiting the adult website again to see if access is restored. If you are still having trouble, an extension might be interfering. Some ad blockers or filtering tools can block entire categories of sites. Click the three dots again, go to Extensions and choose Manage Extensions. Look for any extensions related to content filtering, privacy, or blocking, and temporarily disable them by toggling them off. Return to your browser and test access once more. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.